I'm Jen and welcome to my studio, and today we're going to be doing a beginner combination to Party in the USA by Miley Cyrus. I'm really excited about this one. I am introducing my new format. Yay! So we'll be learning the dance as it is. There will be no music on this one. If you want to practice it with the music, I have a link below in the description for the YouTube short where I have the music. This makes it so that I can still give instruction and use any song I want. It's fantastic, actually. I don't know why I didn't think of this before. But yeah, so we're gonna learn the dance straight through. We'll probably do it in like a couple of different sections. We're gonna learn the dance, and then if you wanna practice it with the song, links down below, practice it with the song with me. It will be the actual song, no more covers, no more having to translate. It's all good, I'm so excited. Mostly I'm excited because I get to give you instruction again. That's been the thing I've been missing, but we'll talk about that later. So this is set for the verse of the song, the first verse, and yeah, let's go ahead and get started. And if you're not already subscribed to this channel, do the thing. All right, so we start with flat ball change. You're gonna do 3 of them. And because of the song, I want to swing it a little bit. So we're gonna go a 1 and 2, a 3 and 4, a 5 and 6. So that's gonna be the rhythm of the flat ball changes. Brush that ball, change. Brush that ball, change. Brush that ball, change. Ready? So we're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8. Flat ball, change. Flat ball, change. Flat ball, change. Good. Now we have our left foot free. Shuffle ball, change. We have 2 different ways we could actually do this. I'm gonna let you guys decide what you wanna do. On the version that I do with the music, I'll try to do it as I do it mostly here. Haven't filmed that part yet. But you can swing the shuffle ball change or you cannot. It really depends on what you want to do. And here, I'll explain. So you have those first flat ball changes. A 1 and 2, a 3 and 4, a 5 and 6. You can continue it, 7, 8, shuffle ball change. Nice and swingy, nice and syncopated. It's not swingy. It's really like staccato and syncopated. It's a little swingy. Then on the next part, you're gonna do 3 more flat ball changes. And I'm going into the next part so that you understand why we can swing it or staccato it or not. You know what I mean? So 3 flat ball changes starting with the left foot. Flat ball change, flat ball change, flat ball change. On this one, no shuffle ball change. You're gonna heel, heel, toe, toe, crawl this way, and this goes and 7 and 8. That one is not swung, staccato, syncopated. That one is not. That one is and 7 and 8. So if you like symmetry, do the shuffle ball change, shuffle ball change, and 7 and 8. If you want it to have a little difference, if you want some differentiation on that, flat ball change, flat ball change, flat ball change, shuffle ball change, then flat ball change, flat ball change, flat ball change, heel, heel, toe, toe. It's different. So they can either be exactly the same or they can be different. And I'm gonna let that be up to you, okay? You do it how you want to. For the purpose of filming this video, I think I'm going to make them different because I think that's fun. But you can do them the same in your own practice, okay? So, putting that all together, 3 flat ball changes and then shuffle ball change, or shuffle ball change. So we're gonna swing that one. Second one, flat ball change, flat ball change, flat ball change. We're gonna go heel, heel, toe, toe. So we're gonna swing staccato syncopated the first one. Second one, we're not gonna do that. It's gonna be very straight and very even. Okay, let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Flat ball change, flat ball change, flat ball change, shuffle ball change, flat ball change, flat ball change, flat ball change, heel, heel, toe, toe. Good. Just for the sake of it, I'm gonna do one with having those rhythms the same. Shuffle ball change, making the shuffle ball change more even. Let's try it that way. Then you can really decide. 5, 6, 7, 8. Flat ball change, flat ball change, flat ball change, shuffle ball change, flat ball change, flat ball change, flat ball change, heel, heel, toe, toe. You guys decide what you would like. For the purpose of the video, I'm gonna swing the shuffle ball change. Okay, let's do that one more time together, and then we will move on to the next part. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Good. From there, your right foot is free. You have 3 paradiddles and a cramp roll. So we have big spank, step, heel, big spank, step, heel, big spank, step, heel. So your third paradiddle is on the right foot. So that's big brush, step, heel, big brush, step, heel, big brush, step, heel. Your left foot is now free. You have a cramp roll, left, right, step, step, heel. So let's do that together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Good. My weight shifted into my right foot. My left foot is now free. We have shuffle step heel. So it's like a paradiddle. I call these shuffle diddles because they end the same. Instead of dig spank step heel, you're going to go brush, brush, step. So it's a shuffle and then a step heel. 3 of these, left, right, left. Shuffle step heel, shuffle step heel, shuffle step heel. Then you have right, left, stamp, stamp. Good. Now, from the paradiddles, let's put that all together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Awesome. Okay, let's try it from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Awesome. Okay, so with this format, if you want to practice anything again, if I don't do it enough like the small sections, I am fully rewindable and I'm portable. So I'm in your phone or your iPad or your device or whatever. I exist here for you. So please rewind me, practice again with me. It makes it a little easier to film these, makes it a little quicker so that I don't have weeks where I'm like, oh no, I can't film anything. I better just fire something off real quick. So it makes it a little easier on me, but also like it allows you the control of how many times I do it. Because that's one of the other things I was told is that like when I do it 3 times in a row for every single section, it just makes the video so long. So does talking this much, but it's okay. So, all right, so if you want to do any of that again, rewind, practice with me. So we just did stamp, stamp. Moving on to the next section. We have, this is probably the fastest section in the whole dance. So we have drawbacks, but they are not done the way drawbacks are classically done. It does not start with a spank. We are starting with a step. So breaking it down, maybe if that's gonna mess you up, don't think of them as drawbacks. Just break the step down to what it is. Step, spank, heel, step, spank, heel. So we're gonna do 3 of those, step, spank, heel. So you step with one foot, you spank with the opposite foot, you drop that first heel. And it has to go in that order. If you need any help with drawbacks, I have plenty of step tutorials in my step tutorial playlist on drawbacks. Please check those out, practice, and then come back here when you feel confident with them. So you have step, spank, heel, spank, heel, and then toe, toe. So you have 3 step, spank, heels. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a, and then you go 4 and. This is the fastest part of the whole dance, but we got this, okay? So step, spank, heel, step, spank, heel, step, spank, heel, toe, toe. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and. Good. Let me do it from the side so that you guys can see that. 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and. Okay? So one more time together and then we'll do the last part of that piece. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and. Good. Your left foot is free. You have 2 more drawbacks. So 2 more step, spank, heel. 5 and a 6 and a. You're gonna toe stamp. and that's on the word nervous. So that part goes 5 and a 6 and a 7 and then you hold 8. Okay? So let's go from the first set of step spank heel. So we have 3 and then a toe and then 2 and then a toe stamp. Let's do it. 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8. And you hold 8. Okay? Good. Let's add that to the beginning and do all that, and then we have one last section to do. Ready? From full out ball change. 5, 6, 7, 8. Full out ball change. Full out ball change. Full out ball change. Shuffle ball change. Full out ball change. Full out ball change. Full out ball change. Heel, heel, toe, toe. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8. So that part is fast, but you got this, okay? All right, last part. You just did toe stamp. You hold 8, make sure you put your weight on that stamp. Use that 8 to make sure it's in the right place. Now you have 2 buffaloes. Step, shuffle, cross, step, shuffle, cross. Just 2 nice buffaloes. Step, shuffle, leap, and then cross it over. So step, shuffle, leap onto this foot, and then cross this one over. That is a buffalo. If you need more help with that, I also have step tutorials down below. So 2 buffaloes. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. Now we have some rolling shuffles. It feels like the start of a buffalo, but just keep going. You're gonna go step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step. So there are 3 shuffles, 4 steps. Step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, and then stop there. So do 2 buffaloes and then 1 set of rolling shuffles. 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8. You see how it kind of just rolls like rolling shuffles? Sorry, that was really bad. All right, then you do 1 more set of rolling shuffles after that. So same exact thing, just it's buffalo, buffalo, 3 rolling shuffles, 3 rolling shuffles. Let's add that. 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Good. Last part. You have an Irish, so you shuffle, hop, step, flat ball change. We are finishing the way we started with a flat ball change. All right, let's do the last part from buffalo, then we'll do the entire thing. We got this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Okay? I really hope that is the rhythm to the end, because without the song, that's the downside. That's the downside, is that like the song is not fully in my head. Yeah, that should be. I have the song in my head now. Okay, so I don't want to sing it on here either, because I have tried that. Totally got flagged. So anyway, let's do the whole thing from the top. We got this. I'll do my best to count the whole time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4, 5 and 6 and 7. Good. Awesome. We're going to do it one more time, and I'm not going to count this time. The tempo will stay very even. Hold me to that. But I have also been told that people want to just hear the taps without the counts too. So you have it with counts. You can always rewind it and practice it with counts as many times as you want. This time, no counts, and I'm gonna do it as evenly as humanly possible. It's probably the most literal version of that phrase I've ever said. Ready? Awesome. And that is Party in the USA by Miley Cyrus. Hopefully you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. I have missed you. I'm being honest. Like, I know you're not actually in my living room or my studio space when I'm filming this, but when I teach directly, it feels like you are. And I have been missing the human element of this. I'm gonna make a whole vlog as to like what's been going on the last year and a half, why I've been like, everything's been very sporadic for me. I have that coming, do not worry, I'm gonna film that after this. But mostly I missed the human element, I missed you, I missed being able to do what I do best, which is instruct. And I don't feel like I can do that as effectively as if I'm just standing here and then write out the taps. There is something to be said for that. A lot of people did enjoy that. So I'm glad I was able to do that for a while. And I might sprinkle those in here and there if like, I'm telling you right now, in September, I may do that because I have 4 weekends in a row of just straight out of town gigs. And I am already stressing about it. So there may be one of those thrown in there if I really don't have the time to film. But overall, I'm really, really excited about this new format. Hopefully it works well for you. When you want to practice with the song, it's right in the description below. Click the link to the YouTube short. It's right there with the song. All licensing is there. No worries. That's the best part about YouTube shorts, is that you can use the music and it's fine. Regular YouTube, not fine. Even covers, even like remixes. It's been a lot. So anyway, hopefully you guys like this. Sorry I'm being so long-winded. I just really have missed you. But yeah, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button and join the TAP fam. We've got choreography tutorials like this in multiple formats. We have long form, short form, and now this form. I consider this long form. It's just not like as long. So, and then we've got step tutorials, like I mentioned before. We've got technique exercises. There are lots of short technique exercises. There are vlogs coming. I do have more vlogs coming, not just the one I'm gonna film later today, where I'm gonna kind of explain like a lot of my professional life, actually. But also other vlogs. I have so much to share with you guys. I have learned so much in the last little while. I'm a studio owner, and that's kind of new, and I've learned a lot. I have lots of vlogs to talk about with that. And then just being a professional still at my age, and I am not a spring chicken, y'all. So I have lots of vlogs coming, worry not. Also, while you're at it with the subscribe button, hit that thumbs up for me. Just hit that thumbs up. Thumbs up for 2 reasons. 1, this was fun and you enjoyed it and you want to tell YouTube that. And 2, he didn't show up today, but long form means we could get more bento. That's my cat. If you're new here, that's my cat. I have 2 cats. One of them's a little camera shy, but Bento loves to come on camera. And so maybe we'll get some more bento soon. I know some of y'all love him. So subscribe, thumbs up, hooray for more bento. And as always, thank you for dancing with me.